5 Best Carpet Cleaner and Vacuum All-in-One Review. Number 1. Rug Doctor FlexClean 93196. You want to get yourself the best carpet and floor cleaner to keep your residence neat and clean. The capacity of this carpet cleaning machine is around 1.5 gallons, which is counted as pretty enough for extracting grease, grit, grime, or other types of gunk. Whether it is carpet or bare floor, the Rug Doctor FlexClean 93196 pet stain carpet cleaner machine is capable of making it clean. Very simple to operate throughout your house, rejuvenate your bedroom, living room, basement, kitchen, or hallway. Thanks to its tremendous outlook. It includes durable rotating brushes, ability to reduce all types of dirt, stains, kid messes, oil spots, and other kinds of debris. The tool can be moved back and forth, for which you can enter into the small areas with ease. The device, you will get a piece of 9 ounces floor cleaner to ensure more cleanliness. Number 2. BISSELL CrossWave 1785A. Do you need a better solution to do washing and vacuuming at the same time? Take a look at this particular model of BISSELL CrossWave. It is versatile, durable, and packs only 11.2 pounds of weight so that you can hold it for hours effortlessly. It adds enough power to wipe off your hardwood floors and carpets. Dual action innovative nylon and microfiber cloth in order to pick out the dry dust and mop. With the assistance of smart touch control, you can switch with ease between carpet cleaning and floor mopping. The motor includes 4.4 amperages to ensure more power and more sucking ability. It is a bare floor, carpet, tiles, hardwood floor, rubber mats, or anything else. BISSELL CrossWave 1785A can easily make it clean by taking less time. Number 3. Vacmaster VK809PIWR. Vacmaster that is mainly designed to do both carpet cleaning and vacuuming. With its 3-in-1 unique system, it is capable of reducing particles, dust, industrial wastages, or water stains. It is compatible with shop, home, garage, commercial place, or workshop use. PTFE cartridge filter with a HEPA filtration system to erase almost 99.97% of allergens and other kinds of germ from the air. The device includes a powerful, long-lasting 5.5 HP motor. Its 8 gallons of bin capacity might be enough for a big family. You will find a remote control system on the nozzle. You can spray shampoo on your car or bare floor in order to keep these things germ-free. The tool offers you lots of necessary accessories, including Dura Mode floor nozzle, carpet lance, floor brush, squeegee nozzle, crevice tool, detergent delivery tube, detergent solution, and many more. Dirt Devil UD70174B. To make your debris removing task a piece of cake, this particular model of Dirt Devil could be enough. This corded version vacuum cleaner adds an extra large sized dirt cup to collect lots of junks with ease. The device includes a durable multi-floor brush roll, and thankfully, it can be used for both hardwood floors and carpets. Without a doubt, you can move it into the tough-to-reach areas. Its extension wand is around 10 feet that assures you to reach on all surfaces. 11 pounds of weight makes it one of the lightest vacuum cleaner out there. The best part? It's 2-in-1 crevice tool, which is designed to collect the dust from corners or tight areas. Its detachable dust bin offers you to get rid of dust in a quick way. After casting the debris away, ensure to wash off the Endura filter with proper care. Number 5. BISSELL 2486. This cute-sized vacuum cleaner packs an inexpensive price tag so that anyone can afford it without spending lots of bundles. It picks up almost all the dust of your house smoothly and effortlessly. Its innovative brush design allows you to reduce all types of debris. It cleans hardwood floors by keeping the scatter away, a big thanks to its scatter-free technology. Because of its lightweight design, anyone can transfer it with ease from one room to another. With its 1-liter dust tank capacity, it is capable of gathering lots of junks. The extension wand provides you the chance to reach as tight areas without facing any issues. After capturing the dust, make sure to detach the bin and make it empty for using it in the next day. Do not forget to wash the filters after accomplish your junk erasing task. Luckily, you are going to get a crevice tool, dusting brush, and turbo brush tool with this vacuum cleaner.